Roblox enthusiasts of all ages, welcome to the most comprehensive guide you'll ever need for diving deep into the world of Roblox fashion, creativity, and entrepreneurship. Roblox isn't just a game, it's a dynamic platform where dreams can take shape, and today, we're about to unlock the secrets of creating and selling your clothing line within this ever-evolving virtual universe. Prepare to embark on a journey filled with creativity, social interaction, and financial opportunity. This is Moonpreneur, and we're here to take you to the pinnacle of Roblox fashion success.
Moonpreneur Step 1. But hold on, you'll also require Robux, Roblox's in-game currency, to bring your fashion dreams to life. Don't fret, we're about to show you the ropes. Visual, Roblox account creation process. You can earn Robux by playing games, and if you're looking for a faster route, you can purchase them with real money. For starters, aim to have at least 10 Robux. These will come in handy in the steps to follow.
Moonpreneur Step 2. Design your clothes. With your Roblox account and a pocket full of Robux, it's time to unleash your inner designer. Log into your Roblox account, and in the left-hand menu, you'll find the Avatar section. Click on it, then navigate to Clothing, and further to Shirts. This is where your journey as a Roblox fashionista begins. Now, the exciting part, hit that irresistible Create button and prepare to bring your fashion dreams to life.
Moonpreneur Step 3. Choose your shirt type. Roblox offers two primary shirt types, t-shirts and standard shirts. T-shirts are simple, featuring images against a solid color background. Standard shirts, on the other hand, provide more creative freedom, allowing you to design clothing that stands out from the crowd. The choice is yours, but if you want to create truly unique and captivating designs, standard shirts are the way to go. Now that you've chosen your canvas, let's dive into the art of crafting your clothing line.
Moonpreneur Step 4. Download the template. Every artist needs a canvas, and for your Roblox fashion masterpiece, that canvas is the shirt template. When you're ready to start, navigate to the Create a Shirt screen, where you'll find a link to download this crucial template. It's essentially your blueprint, indicating different colored sections that correspond to various parts of a Roblox character's body. Save it on your computer. It will serve as the foundation for your creative journey.
Moonpreneur Step 5. Customize your shirt. Now, let's get those creative juices flowing. Here's where you'll work your magic, turning a blank canvas into a fashion masterpiece. Whether you envision a stunning tuxedo, a sleek business suit, or an outlandish fantasy creation, this is your chance to shine. Once your design is complete, don't forget to save it.
Moonpreneur Step 6. Upload your shirt. With your fashion masterpiece in hand, it's time to share it with the Roblox community. Return to the Roblox website,
where you'll find the t-shirt button under My Creation tab.
Click this, then select Choose File to pick your saved shirt design. Give your creation a memorable name, and press that Upload button. Now, be patient, your shirt will undergo a brief review by Roblox to ensure it adheres to community guidelines.
Moonpreneur Step 7. Preview your shirt. The moment of truth has arrived. Open Roblox Studio, create a baseplate, and add a dummy character to your workspace. Here's where you get to see your creation come to life in real time. Link your shirt to the dummy character and marvel at how it looks in the Roblox universe.
Moonpreneur Step 8. Monetize your shirt. Your masterpiece is ready to conquer the Roblox fashion world. Once you're satisfied with your shirt's design, return to the Roblox website. Head to Avatar Clothing Shirts. If your shirt isn't visible yet, it's likely still in the approval process. Once it's approved, click on your shirt, select Configure, and double-check that you're working with the correct shirt. Now, let's talk business. Click on Sales under the General tab, toggle the switch to put your shirt up for sale, set a reasonable price, usually around 6 or 7 Robux, and remember, Roblox takes a small percentage of the sale. The minimum price is 5 Robux. Click Save, and if everything goes smoothly, you'll see a reassuring green Successfully Updated bar. Your shirt is now available for purchase by other Robloxians.
Moonpreneur tips to increase sales. But wait, we're not done yet. to ensure your clothing line thrives in the bustling marketplace of Roblox fashion. But remember, to trade and sell shirts, you'll need that premium account, so make sure you've got that sorted first. Alright, consider these valuable tips.
Moonpreneur tip number 1, marketing magic. Marketing strategies that will take your clothing creations to the next level. We all know that first impressions matter, right? So, craft an eye-catching title and description for your creation. You want players scrolling through the catalog to stop dead in their tracks when they see your shirt. Think bold, descriptive, and unique. Show your creativity right from the start. Next up, the power of social media. Don't underestimate this one. Use platforms like Twitter, Instagram, or even TikTok to showcase your latest creations. Share the love with your fellow Robloxians and watch your sales skyrocket. Team up with fellow Roblox creators. Collaboration is the key to success. Find designers who complement your style and create outfits that players will love. Plus, it's more fun when you're working together. And let's not forget about Roblox groups. Join ones that focus on clothing design and promotion. This is where you'll find like-minded designers and potential customers who are eager to check out your work.
Now, Moonpreneur tip number 2, monitor your sales and improve. This one's a game changer. Keep an eye on your sales data and gather feedback from your buyers. If you notice a particular design isn't selling well, don't get discouraged. Instead, take it as an opportunity to make improvements. Roblox fashion evolves quickly. So stay updated on the latest trends and create designs that resonate with the current style. And remember, my fellow creators, success doesn't happen overnight. Keep pushing your creative boundaries, stay persistent, and before you know it, you'll be raking in those Robux. Venturing into the world of designing and selling clothes on Roblox is a journey that can be incredibly rewarding, both creatively and financially. With imagination, commitment, and a solid grasp of the platform's dynamics, you can turn your boutique into a thriving enterprise. So, seize this opportunity to let your creativity soar and showcase your designs to an audience that spans the vast expanse of Roblox. We wish you the best of luck on this exciting journey.
But before we conclude, I have an exciting announcement. Moonpreneur is on a mission to ignite the flames of entrepreneurship through their futuristic STEM programs. From robotics to game development, they're shaping the leaders of tomorrow. And guess what? They're offering a free 60-minute robotics and coding workshop. So don't miss out. Check out the link in the description to secure your spot and embark on an educational adventure like no other. Thanks for watching, Robloxians. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content from Moonpreneur. Until next time, stay creative, stay inspired, and keep conquering the Roblox universe.